Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 4. Promise with the Witch. The husband quietly entered the garden. The husband quietly entered the garden. Moonlight shone on the leaves. Moonlight shone on the leaves. The vegetables had grown beautifully. The vegetables had grown beautifully. The husband held his breath. The husband held his breath. My wife will be glad. My wife will be glad. The husband took some leaves. The husband took some leaves. A gentle smell was in the air. A gentle smell was in the air. He tried to return quickly. He tried to return quickly. At that moment, a voice echoed. At that moment, a voice echoed. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? The husband's body grew stiff. The husband's body grew stiff. A figure stood in the darkness. A figure stood in the darkness. It was the witch. It was the witch. She wore a long robe. She wore a long robe. Her eyes shone very sharply. Her eyes shone very sharply. The husband began to shake. The husband began to shake. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. The witch came closer. The witch came closer. You entered my garden without leave. You entered my garden without leave. The husband knelt down. The husband knelt down. It was for my wife. It was for my wife. The witch frowned her face. The witch frowned her face. Theft is still theft. Theft is still theft. The husband lowered his head. The husband lowered his head. I will not do it again. I will not do it again. The witch smiled coldly. The witch smiled coldly. But punishment is needed. But punishment is needed. The husband turned pale. The husband turned pale. What will happen to me? What will happen to me? The witch stayed silent for a while. The witch stayed silent for a while. Then she looked down at the husband. Then she looked down at the husband. Your wife wishes for a child. Your wife wishes for a child. The husband raised his face. The husband raised his face. I know that wish. I know that wish. The witch smiled in a strange way. The witch smiled in a strange way. A child will be born in time. A child will be born in time. The husband stopped his breath. The husband stopped his breath. Give that child to me. Give that child to me. The husband could not believe his ears. The husband could not believe his ears. I cannot do such a thing. I cannot do such a thing. The witch struck her staff. The witch struck her staff. Then you will lose your life. Then you will lose your life. Wind blew hard through the garden. Wind blew hard through the garden. The husband became very afraid. The husband became very afraid. His wife's face came to his mind. His wife's face came to his mind. The husband suffered deeply. The husband suffered deeply. At last he nodded slightly. At last he nodded slightly. I make that promise. I make that promise. The witch smiled with pleasure. The witch smiled with pleasure. A promise of fate was made. A promise of fate was made. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.